Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Just a Fun Guy. This is a jar of change. And being the coin guy that I am, I have scoped through this change a million times over, just, when I'm bored or want something to do. And there's nothing worth of value in this change jar here. Maybe except, let's see this quarter. Nothing too valuable. Have you ever wondered if your change jar had something valuable in it? Like you were going to take it to the bank so you're going to roll it up and you saw something funny? Or have you ever wondered, could you be hiding $1 million coin? Well, today I am going to tell you about the coins that could be hiding in the coin jar that are worth more than their face value. Before we get started, I just want to say I had 160 subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing and watching my videos. And I hope we can get to 200. That's my goal, is to get to 200. And eventually, maybe I might be 1 million. I don't know. We'll see. But don't forget to subscribe and like and share and do all that good stuff. And let's get to the video. The silver half dollars are the first coins. This coin's up to that in specific order, but silver half dollars were first on the list, so there you go. Most people think that the silver in the US coins ended in 1964, but that's not true. The half dollar coin had silver in it until 1970. From whenever the half dollar was created to 1964, they had 90% silver in them. From 1965 to 1970, they have 40% silver in them. And of course, the best way to detect is the date. The next coins you should be looking out for are the America the Beautiful quarters. And as you can see, these are 6 examples of America the Beautiful quarters. And if you find them, they're obviously good to take out of circulation if you have a book you want to fill. But to go a step further, take a look at the mint mark of the America the Beautiful quarters. If it's a P mint mark or an S mint mark, they're very common and worth 25 cents. If they have a W mint mark on them, it stands for West Point, and those quarters you should take out of circulation. And the one particularly valuable West Point quarter you should take out of circulation is the one in the center here called Lowell. These coins, their mintage was 2 million, and if you find one in uncirculated MS-65 condition, you're looking at $22 quarter. $22 for 25 cents. Next up is a 1955 Lincoln wheat cent with an error. It's the double die obverse error. And to identify it, it'll look like the year 1955 Liberty and the local ink government trust were stamped twice. And number one, it's a wheat cent. You should take wheat cents out of circulation to begin with. But number two, if you find this particular double die error in good condition, it'll be a $765 coin. But if it is uncirculated MS-63 condition, it'll be a $16,644 penny. Dang. Next up is the 1996 W. Roosevelt Dime. The United States Mint honored the 50th anniversary of the Roosevelt Dime in 1996, and they introduced a special dime bearing the W mint mark from the West Point Mint. These 1996 W dimes were distributed only in 1996 in uncirculated cents, yet some of the dimes have been removed from their cellophane packages only to be spent as regular money. An uncirculated W 1996 Roosevelt dime is worth around $15. Circulated specimens are also worth a premium of $5 to $10 a piece. If you ever see a 1996, look for the W. you would have a valuable dime. The next coin we should be looking out for is the war nickel, the Jefferson war nickel. And why these coins will be worth a few dollars uncirculated is because rather than containing nickel, they contain a little bit of silver. And these war nickels were made in World War II era from 1942 to 1945. And how you identify a war nickel is rather than the mint letter be, or the mint mark I should say, rather than being its usual place, the mint mark is going to be above the Monticello and the Jefferson Memorial. Plain as day, you'll see a P, a D, or an S. That's how you identify a war nickel. And there are a few bucks on circulated condition, so it's a nickel to look out for. Any quarter from 1964 and before is worth a lot of money because it's got silver in it. But one in particular, Washington quarter, is worth more than your average quarter. The 1932 Washington quarter. To celebrate the 200th year of birth of the President George Washington, the Bicentennial Committee wanted to replace the 1932 Walking Liberty half dollar with a Washington half dollar, but instead the Congress decided to replace the Standing Liberty quarter with a Washington quarter. First struck and minted in 1932, over 80% of the 32 Washington quarters were struck in Philadelphia, with just over 5.4 million minted. While this is a low number, mostly struck for the bicentennial, small runs of just over 400,000 each were minted at San Francisco and Denver, making them some of the rarest coins available. And if you get this coin, it can run between $120 and $13,000. Price is dictated by condition, certification, and current demand. So if you ever find a silver, or if you ever find a 1932 Washington quarter, you're in luck. Well, those are just a few of the many coins that are worth more than their face value. If you ever find any of those coins, coin roll hunting, or if you just found it when getting change at Walmart, make sure to take them out of circulation. And if you found any of these coins, let me know down below or email me. My email, of course, is in the description below. My name is Just a Fun Guy. This is Just a Fun Guy Coins. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell icon. And until next time, I'm signing off. So long, YouTube.